A fast-paced montage of dangerous animals, sharks, snakes, lions, etc. Did you know that some of the deadliest creatures on Earth are not just giant predators but also tiny, seemingly harmless insects? From venomous snakes to powerful wild beasts, today we are counting down the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Stay till the end for the most terrifying one. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love wildlife content. Number 10. Box jellyfish scene. Underwater footage of a jellyfish floating, glowing softly. At number 10, we have the silent killer of the sea, the box jellyfish. World's most venomous jellyfish. Don't be fooled by its delicate appearance. This jellyfish's tentacles carry venom so powerful, it can stop a human heart in just minutes. Warning sign, survival tip: if stung, pour vinegar on a wound immediately. 9. Inland taipan, the fierce snake scene. A close-up of the taipan slithering through the desert. This snake doesn't just bite, it delivers the deadliest venom of any snake on Earth. One bite from the inland taipan is enough to kill 100 humans. Survival tip: if you're hiking in Australia's deserts, watch your step. 8. African lion, king of the jungle. A lion roaring in slow motion. This powerful predator is called the king of the jungle for a reason. A single bite can crush bones instantly. While lions don't usually hunt humans, when they do, there's no escape. Survival tip: if you ever encounter a lion, do not run. Maintain eye contact and back away slowly. 7. Saltwater crocodile. Scene: a crocodile launching an ambush in the water. Meet the largest and most aggressive crocodile in the world. These beasts are responsible for more attacks on humans than any other crocodile species. Warning sign, survival tip: avoid swimming in murky waters in crocodile zones. 6. Grizzly bear, movie camera, scene: a bear standing on its hind legs, growling. They might look cuddly, but a grizzly bear can run faster than a horse and tear a human apart with one swipe. Warning sign, survival tip: carry bear spray and never run if you see one. 5. Hippopotamus, movie camera, scene: a hippo charging through water. Surprise! The hippo is responsible for more human deaths than lions, elephants, or sharks. They can run at 30 km per hour on land and are extremely territorial. Warning sign, survival tip: never get between a hippo and water. 4. Mosquito, the silent killer, movie camera, scene: close-up of a mosquito biting a human. Warning sign, survival tip: use mosquito repellent and sleep under a net in tropical areas. 3. Elephant, giant but deadly, movie camera, scene: an elephant charging at a vehicle in the wild. You might think elephants are gentle giants, but when provoked, they can be extremely aggressive, crushing everything in their path. Warning sign, survival tip: respect their space and never disturb a wild elephant. Number 2. Brazilian wandering spider, movie camera, scene: a close-up of the spider crawling. This spider holds the Guinness World Record for the most venomous spider on Earth. Its bite can cause paralysis and death in hours. Warning sign, survival tip: If you're in South America, always check your shoes and bags. 1. Great white shark, the ultimate predator. Movie camera, scene. A great white lunging out of the water, jaws open. At number 1, we have the great white shark. With razor-sharp teeth and incredible speed, it dominates the ocean. While attacks on humans are rare, they happen when sharks mistake surfers for seals. Warning sign, survival tip: avoid swimming in murky waters and don't wear shiny objects in the ocean. Movie camera, scene. A dramatic montage of all the animals. And there you have it, the top 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. See you in the next video. Movie camera, fire.